So we are here at Sonar, and I'm at Sonar+D, which is like the tech kind of conference-y, art maker fair kind of thing. And there is a lot of weird stuff going on here at Sonar. This video is about finding the weirdest. Okay, but first, what the hell is Sonar? It's a trade show. It's a place that you can make music. It's a party! But most importantly, it's a place you can get a beer. Okay, so behind me is something called Layton Loops, and it's like, you can see it's like lit up there. It looks really cool. It's basically developed with Google Magenta, and what it is that there's 4 corners in that room, and each one of them has a little tablet where you can punch in a little piano roll of something. And then on the floor, you can see that piano roll and the MIDI come up, and it kind of mixes them between the 4 corners using machine learning. Now, if you look on the ground, you can see that they kind of change, and when you step on each one of those pads, it will play that pad. Let's go take a look. Alright, and here's something I've wanted to see all week, but the line just keeps getting longer and longer. It's a new type of headphone from a company called Neura, the Neura phone, and it's like a dual... I can't explain it, you've got to go take a look at it. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of like a combination in-ear monitor with headphones, and somehow that increases the sound stage. They sound completely unique, and you can watch these like reaction videos on YouTube of people using these, and it is insane. People are saying these are the most insane headphones ever. Well, let's go and try it out.
Set up your apps.
Can we help out? Yeah.
Oh, it's connected now. Holy shit. So this thing here is a quiz machine, and instead of just pressing a button to, you know, answer a quiz or something like that, it's got spray bottles. And basically, the question is, which is your favorite social media network? And it's got all of them here. Mine is, of course, YouTube. I'm gonna pick YouTube, spray the bottle, and it prints out a little thing right here and it tells you what people voted. Alright, so I'm here at the Playtronica stand. So can you explain to us what you guys do? What is all this crazy stuff on this table here?
This so crazy stuff is a laboratory, and we are a studio, and we are exploring the way how you can produce music. Basically, we're doing this simple boards. For example, this one that turns touch into music.
Ooh.
As well, we have this one, which is called Playtron. It's to connect objects like vegetables and fruits to one board, and then have it as a MIDI controller.
Fruits that make music.